let's continue with our calculus. We are given that if y is equals to what times 7x raised to power 3, we should find the y all over the x. So we are going to start with solution. And what formula are we going to use? We are going to use what we call chain rule. So we are going to use chain rule, and chain rule states that the y all over the x is equals to what? The y all over the u times the u all over what? The x. So what we are going to do first, we are going to select our what? Y to be equals to what? Tan u. We are going to let this y to be equals to tan u, and we are going to make our u to be equals to what? The function in front of tan, which is what? 7x raised to power 3. Now at this point we need the what? The y du, and this is called the y du. And at this point we need what? Du dx. This one is called du dx. Now what we are going to do next is what? What is the derivative of what? Dy all over what? Du. We are saying when we are differentiating tan, our result is going to what? S square what? U. So the derivative of tan is what? S square u. I told you that what? If it is sine, the derivative is going to be what? Cos what? X or cos u. And if it is cos, the derivative is going to be what? Minus sine what? X. And if it is tan, the derivative is going to be what? S square what? X. So you have to know this. So if the equation given to us is sine, you use cos x, and if the equation given to us is sine x, cos x, you use what? Minus sine x. So this one is the derivative of what? Tan. Now we need to find our what? Du dx. Du all over the x now equals to, all we need to do, we are going to use this 3 to times this 7, and we are going to have what? 21x. Then we take away minus 1, then we are left with we are left with 2. So the derivative of what? 7x raised to power 3 is what? 25x squared. Now we have our dy du to be what? S square u, and we have our du dx to be what? 21x squared. So to find the y all over the x now, we are going to have, in place of dy du, we are going to put what? S square what? U times y. In place of du dx, we are going to put what? 21x squared. So when we times this, what we are going to have now is, we are going to have 21x squared S square u. But what is our u? Our u is what? 7x. We now say but u is equals to what? 7x raised to power 3. So in that case, our dy all over the x is equals to what? 21x squared x square what? 7x raised to power 3. And this becomes the derivative of what? Tan 7x raised to power 3 is equals to what? 21x squared z square x square 7x raised to power 3.